Hello students, come to the class number 22. Class 22. Now see the students, in the previous class we have discussed some formulas on that compound angle theorem. This theorem we have proved in one of the class, and using this result in the previous class we have calculated the some formulas. So this is the first one. Using this we have discussed, we have proved geometrically this result, and using this result we have calculated the sum of difference of cos, sum and difference of sine, sum and difference of tan, sum and difference of cot formula. Let us, I will write all the formulas here today first. So this is first formula. We have proved cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Second one, cos x minus y equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y plus sin x into sin y. See the difference it is. If it is plus, here minus it is. If it is minus, it is plus. The next, sum of sine and difference, sine of x plus y, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Difference of sine, sin x minus y, sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. See the difference between these two results and these two results here. This is sum of cos and difference of cos. This is sum of sine and difference of sine. So while cos x plus y, here minus it is opposite sign. If it is minus, it is plus. For sine, same sign, you remember. Remembering the formulas are important. You need all the formulas, students. You need all the formulas, students. Now next, we have proved sum and difference of tan in terms of tan, tan of x plus y, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Difference of tan, tan of x minus y, tan x minus tan y, 1 plus tan x into tan y. See the students, numerator same sign, denominator opposite sign. For the tan sum, for the tan difference, same type it is. Now for the cot, you see the for the cot x plus y and cot x minus y also we have proved. Cot x plus y, cot x cot y minus 1, cot y plus cot x. Numerator opposite sign, denominator same sign. Here numerator same, denominator opposite. This is cot sum, cot of x plus y, cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus of cot of x. The eighth result, cot of x minus y, cot x cot y plus 1, cot y minus cot x. First y, then x, cot y minus of cot x. Cot y minus of cot x. And after this, one of the sin 2x result we have proved. In terms of sin and cos, it is 2 sin x into cos x, and also we have proved in terms of tan also 2 tan x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. This is in terms of tan we have proved. And in terms of sin 2x you may write, you may express in terms of sin and cos, and you may express only in terms of tan also. You may express in terms of tan also. So these the 9 formula we have discussed in the previous class. Now let us I will go for cos 2x, tan 2x. Similarly, 3x of sin cos tan, like that. Here we will go for the today's some more formulas, and then after that I will go for the examples on these formulas. Now let us see the students. Now sin 2x we have completed here. Sin of 2x we have completed. Now come to the 10th one. Here I will write cos 2x. See the students, cos 2x you may express in terms of, see, 4 types: cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. See the students, you may write cos 2x formula in 4 ways. Cos 2x formula you may write in terms of 4 ways. First one is cos square x minus of sin square x, and you may convert this as in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square x, and you may convert in terms of cos 2 cos square x minus 1, and you may write in terms of tan 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square of x. You may write cos 2x in these 4 types according to your need. It depends upon the problem. It depends upon your LHS and RHS. Whatever you need, you may substitute. So this is both in terms of cos and sin. It is in terms of sin, it is in terms of cos, and it is in terms of a tan. So in these 4 ways, you may express this cos 2x formula. As sin 2x, you have expressed in 2 ways: 2 sin x into cos x, and one more is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. You have proved in these 2 ways sin 2x. Cos 2x you may express in these 4 types. You need all the 4 formulas here while calculating in the second PUC examination: differentiation, integration. You need all the 4 types of the formulas of a cos 2x. This is the cos 2x formula. It is the students here. Now let us see, we will prove one by one these 4 formulas here. So see, cos 2x. Shall I write cos 2x as a x plus x? 2x, x plus of x. Both x and y it is. X, y it is. So what it becomes? Cos of some formula it becomes. Cos of x plus y it becomes, friends. It becomes a cos of x plus y. Expanding. Cos x, cos y. Y as a x. Plus or minus? Minus. When plus minus, when minus plus, remember, sin x into sin x, because of y as x it is. Clear the students here? Cos x minus sin x, cos some formula. This is cos of 2x. Therefore cos 2x equal to, see what it becomes, cos square x minus sin square x. This is the first form. This is the first form, student. Cos square x minus sin square x. This is the first form. Cos square x minus of sin square x. We have split it as a 2x, we have written as a x plus x. Cos x into cos y, you have the formula, minus sin x into sin y. Y becomes as a x here. X, because of x plus x, so 2x we have taken. So this is what? Cos square x minus of sin square x. Now similarly, we will prove the remaining 3 results also. Now let us see. Just we know that cos 2x equal to what we have proved? Cos square x minus of sin square x. Just you get. Now see the students. Cos 2x equal to, you want in terms of what? Sin it is. Totally in terms of sin it is. Convert this cos as a sin. Is it possible, right? This cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Because of the formula identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. because of the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus of sin square of x. Simplify this one, cos 2x equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. Is it a 1 minus 2 sin square x? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus of 2 sin square x. This is the second form, students. Is it? This is the second form, it is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Similarly, you may convert in terms of cos also. Similarly, you may convert in terms of cos also. You write in terms of this sin in terms of cos. You will get in terms of cos. See the third form. According to your need, what you have, the data, according to that, here calculating the students here. Now let us will go for the third one. In terms of cos result. Now see in terms of cos. We know that, again we know that cos 2x equal to, just we have proved, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x equal to cos square x as it is. Convert this sin square as a in terms of cos. What is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. What is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So therefore cos 2x equal to, see this one here, cos square x minus of minus cos square x. Is it a 2 cos square x? This minus of minus becomes plus cos square x, plus cos square x. This cos square x becomes 2 cos square x, and this minus of 1. So cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus of 1. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus of 1 it is. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the third result. Now we will go for the in terms of tan. Now let us see in terms of tan. Fourth one. We know that, so for all the three results here we are using this. We have proved and we have taken that same result here. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus of sin square x. Cos square x minus of sin square x. Shall I write cos square x minus sin square x? Shall I take denominator 1? It is. Because I have to prove in terms of tan. I have to make this as a in terms of tan formula. Here I am writing denominator is taking 1 here. So cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. What is 1? Cos square x plus sin square x. 1 as a cos square x plus sin square x. 1 substituted as that identity. Dividing both numerator and denominator by. Dividing both numerator and denominator by what? You have to make it as a tan. Cos square x. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So cos 2x equal to, divide both numerator and denominator, cos square x minus sin square x, divide by cos square x, whole divide by cos square x plus sin square x, divide by cos square of x. Separately divide it, cos 2x equal to, separately dividing cos square x by cos square x, 1 it is. Here I am separately dividing, directly taking a sin square x by cos square x. Is it a tan square x? Yes, separately dividing here, cos square x 1 it becomes, minus of sin square x by cos square x, tan square x. Clear the students here? Similarly, denominator separately also, in the denominator also separately dividing here, cos square x plus cos square x 1 plus of sin square x by cos square x as a tan square x. So this is the fourth result, student. This one is the fourth result. So we have proved in terms of 4 types. See the students here, cos 2x in terms of tan it is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. And in terms of both cos and sin. So this is what cos of 2x. In 4 ways you may express the students here. In the 4 ways you may express this result cos 2x. You may write cos 2x in terms of 4 ways the students here. So this is about the cos of 2x formula. You will use these all the 4 results here. You will come to know in the examples. So this is about the cos of 2x students here. Cos of 2x. Now we will go for the tan 2x. Similarly, we will go for the tan 2x. See the students, cos 2x. We have expressed first, we have proved cos square x minus sin square x, making x plus of x. 2x as written as a x plus of x. In terms of sine we have proved 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos we have proved 2 cos square x minus 1, and just we have proved in terms of tan 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square of x. So these are the 4 results of this cos 2x. You may express cos 2x in these 4 ways. These are the formulas. According to your need, you may substitute with respect of the formulas, all the 4 formulas, with depends upon your need, what he has given and what you have to calculate. Either he may give in terms of tan, you may have to convert sometimes in terms of tan, in terms of cos also you may convert, in terms of cos and sin also you may convert. So these are the 4 results of a cos 2x. Now let us see the tan 2x, tan of 2x. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. No confusion, student. Here I will write 2 sin x into cos x, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is plus, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. This is sin 2x in terms of tan. Positive in the denominator, but it is negative in the denominator. Same formula it is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. No confusion, students, here. Now let us see. Tan 2x equal to tan of x plus x. Tan of x plus x. You know, tan of x plus x, tan x plus y formula. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of y. 1 minus tan x into tan of y. So this is tan of x plus x. See the students here, tan x plus y as a x it is. Y as a x, tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, y as also x. Simplify the students, see what it becomes. Therefore, tan 2x equal to tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x, tan square x. This is the tan 2x in terms of tan only. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is the tan 2x formula, students. This is the tan of 2x formula. Tan of 2x formula. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square x. So this is the tan 2x formula. So sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x. Sin 2x, cos 2x and tan of 2x. Now we'll go for the 3x formula here. Now we'll go for the 3x formula. These are all what? Multiple angles. 2x, 2x, 3x. These are all what? Multiple angles. 2 is multiplying with the angle. So this is what multiple angle. 3 is multiplied with, this is the multiple angles. So the 2x, 3x, using that sum and difference formula, here we are calculating the multiple angle formulas. These are what? Multiple angle formulas. Now later we will convert submultiple also. Later we will convert the submultiple also, the students here. Now this is what? So tan 2x completed here. Now come to the after the tan 2x, 9th one is sin 2x, 10th one is cos 2x, and the 11th one is tan of 2x, 12th one will go for the sin of 3x. Now see the sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube of x. What? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus of 4 times of sin cube of x. Let us see the students. We will prove this one. Sin 3x. It is in terms of sin only. All the terms of sin. We have to prove in terms of sin. Now see here sin 2x formula. We have to use the formula some 2x formula also. Here we have to use here. Sin 3x. Shall I write sin 3x as a 2x plus x? Is it possible to write? Yes, it is possible to write 2x plus x. Now, you know the students, what is sin of x plus y? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin of y. See this result here. What is 2x here? X it is. And x as a y it is. Yes? Expand according to this formula. 2x as x and x as a y here according to this formula. Or you may take a plus b also. Sin 2x into cos y, y as x. Cos 2x into sin of x it is. According to this formula, sin x cos y plus cos x into sin of y. Here in terms of x and in terms of sin also, all the terms of sin, the sin terms. Whatever these 2x are there, you may convert, you may write a 2x formula depending upon your result here. So you have it here. I will write sin 2x formula also, and 2 sin x into cos x, and in terms of tan, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. This is sin 2x. Cos 2x, here I will write 1 is cos square x minus sin square x. 1 is in terms of sin, in terms of cos as a 2 cos square x minus of 1, in terms of tan as a 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square of x. Now let us will substitute this sin 3x equal to, see the students, sin of 3x is equal to, what should be substituted? You no need of this in terms of tan, you need in terms of sin. Cos also is there, you will convert that to cos later, you will cos convert in terms of, you need. So sin 2x as a 2 sin x into cos x. This result here we have substituted the sin 2x value. This cos x as it is. Cos x as it is. Now tell me the student, cos 2x among the four results, which one we have to substitute? Either first one or second one or third one or fourth one. See the students a result. What you have to prove in terms of sin, you have to prove. Is it in terms of sin? This second result is in terms of sin only, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Substitute that formula directly in terms of sin. Cos 2x as a 1 minus of 2 sin square x, because you need in terms of sin. This sin x as it is. Like that you are substituting the formula here among the four here. Whatever you need, according to that you have to substitute the formula, students. Simplify this one. Sin of 3x, this is what, 2 sin x into cos square x. This cos x becomes cos square x plus half 1 into sin x minus 2 sin cube of x minus 2 sin cube of x. Clear the students? 2 sin x into cos square x plus sin x into 1 sin x minus of 2 sin square x into sin x minus of 2 sin cube of x. Simplify this one. Sin 3x, 2 sin x, you want in terms of what? You want in terms of sin. Substitute cos square x as a 1 minus sin square x. Substitute cos square x as a 1 minus sin square x plus sin x as it is minus 2 sin cube x as it is plus sin x as it is minus of 2 sin cube x as it is. Now let us see the students. Substituting here sin 3x is equal to, taking the bracket, it is cos square x we have substituted as a 1 minus sin square x. This 2 sin x taking into the bracket, 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus of 2 sin cube x minus of 2 sin cube of x plus sin x plus of sin x minus of 2 sin cube of x. See what it becomes finally. So therefore sin 3x equal to, is it 2 sin x plus sin x, 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is what? Sin of 3x formula, students. This is what? Sin of 3x. This is sin 3x, student. Like that you may simplify. Like that you have to simplify the students. So see the students, let us, I will give one formula here, you may write it. 3 sin 20 degree minus 4 sin cube 20 degree is equal to, find the value of E is equal to, is it according to this formula? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, x is same, it is 20 degree, is it how much it is? Sin of 3x, sin of 3x, 3 into x, what is x? 20 degree, how much it becomes? Sin of 60 degree. What is sin 60 degree? Is it a root 3 by 2? Like that, calculating the example, students, here. 3 sin 20 degree minus of 4 sin 20 degree. This is sin of 3x. It becomes a sin of 3x. So 3x means sin of 60 degree. 3 into 20 degree, it is sin of 60 degree. Like that it is. You have to calculate the examples. One more example here I will give. One more example I will give. 3 sin 10 minus 4 cos cube 10 degree is equal to, yes, 3 sin 10 minus of 4 sin cube 10 degree is equal to, is it a sin 30 degree? 3 into 10 degree, sin of 30 degree. What is sin 30 degree? It is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. So this is of sin of 30 degree. Like that you have to calculate the students. Sin of 30 degree, it is 1 by 2. Yes, like that you have to calculate the students. So this is about the sin of 3x. Sin of 3x. The next, you will go for the cos 3x similarly. Cos of 3x. See the students, cos of 3x. This is 13th one. Cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. See the difference between that cos formula and sin formula. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. That is 4 cos cube x minus of 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus of 3 cos x. You have to remember that difference. You may have to remember all the formulas, students. You need all the formulas. Now let us see this cos of 3x. We will go for the cos of 3x here. So cos 3x, shall I write 2x plus x or x plus 2x? Expounding cos of x plus of 2x or 2x plus of x. Like that you may simplify with the students here. Now see what we have converted. We have written in the form of x plus y. What is cos x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x cos y minus of sin x into sin of y. So this is what? Cos of x plus y. According to this formula you may write this cos 2x, student here. Cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Cos 2x cos x minus of sin 2x sin x. Now you have a different 4 types of formula. Sin 2x, once again I will write these two formulas. 2 sin x into cos x, and in terms of tan, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. See the students, for sin 2x and cos 2x denominator is same, but numerator only is the difference here. Here 2 tan x for sin 2x and 1 minus tan square x for cos 2x. This is only the difference here. Now let us tell me which one you have to substitute here. What you want? In terms of cos you want. In terms of cos you want. So what should I substitute among the 4 form of this cos 2x? Which one I should substitute this for cos 2x? Among the 4. first one, second one, third one. Shall I go for the third one in terms of cos? Because of you required in terms of cos. So this is 2 cos square x minus 1. This cos 2x. This cos x as it is. There is no alternative, only one formula, and one is in terms of tan. You don't want in terms of tan. You want in terms of sin and cos. 2 sin x into cos x into sin x. Yes, into sin x. This is in terms of cos substituted, and this is sin 2x is taken as a 2 sin x into cos x here. So cos of 3x. Simplify this one, take inside a bracket 2 cos cube x, cos x taking inside a bracket, minus cos x, minus of, see what it becomes, 2 times of sin x into sin x, sin square x into cos x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x into cos of x it is. This cos x is taken inside bracket, 2 cos cube x minus of cos x. These two are in terms of cos, you need according to that one. So let us convert this as a in terms of cos. You will get the cos 3x also. Cos 3x equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 as it is. Let us take these one side, 2 cos x into this, what is cos sin square x? 1 minus of cos square x. This sin square x as a 1 minus of cos square x, substituted here sin square x as a 1 minus cos square x. See what it becomes. Therefore cos 3x equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus of minus plus 2 into cos x into cos square x, 2 cos cube of x. See the students, 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus of 3 cos x, minus of 3 cos x. So this is the cos 3x student. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, 4 cos cube x minus of 3 cos x. This is what? Cos of 3x students, cos of 3x. Now you may substitute according to that one, what you have substituted this cos 2x, in terms of cos we have got it. Sin 2x, this is 2 sin x into cos x, and then we have simplified. So you will get the cos of 3x students here. Now let us write down the student. Tell me what is the value of cos cube 10 degree minus 3 cos 10 degree is equal to 4 cos cube 10 degree minus 3 cos 10 degree. Is it equal to cos of 30 degree? Is equal to root 3 by 2. Yes. Now let us 4 cos cube 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree. Is it a cos 90 degree? 3 into 30 degree, cos 90. What is cos 90? It is 4 cos cube 20 degree, 3 cos 20 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. Is it equal to cos of 60 degree? You may write it like that along this cos 3x formula. Using this cos 3x formula, you may convert in terms of multiple angles. This is what? In terms of multiple angles. This is 3 into 10 degree. This is 3 into 10 degree. This is 3 into 30 degree. This is 3 into 20 degree. Multiple angles. Then it becomes cos of 30 degree, cos of 90 degree, cos of 60 degree. Like that you may convert in terms of the multiple angles. So this is about the cos 3x. This is about the cos of 3x students here. Now let us come to the tan of 3x. Tan of 3x. Let us come to the tan of 3x students here. Tan 3x is equal to tan of 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 3 tan x minus of tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square of x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus of 3 tan square of x. Let us see the student. This tan of 3x, tan of 3x, we will go for the tan of 3x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus of 3 tan square of x. Now tan 3x, same type, 2x plus x or x plus 2x. You may express 2x plus x or x plus of 2x. So tan of x plus y it is. What is tan of x plus y? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. This is the tan of x plus y formula. Sum of tan formula. Tan of x plus y formula. Expanding using this tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. X as a 2x, y as a x. Here x as a 2x, y as a x. It is according to the sum formula tan of x plus y formula we have expanded here. Now you have only one formula in terms of tan. You have a tan 2x in terms of only one formula. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus of tan square x. Let us substituting that formula, students, here. Simplifying. Tan 3x equal. What is tan 2x? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square of x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus, what is tan 2x? 2 tan x 1 minus tan square of x into tan of x into tan of x. This is what? Tan of 3x formula. Tan of 3x formula it is. So tan 2x substituted here, students, here. Tan 2x as a 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Here tan 2x as a 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x is substituted in terms of x. You need in terms of x. Let us simplifying, taking LCM in the numerator. Similarly in the denominator also taking LCM, simplifying. Tan of 3x is equal to, what is the LCM in the numerator? 1 minus tan square x is LCM. 1 minus tan square x LCM. 2 tan x as it is. 2 times of tan x as it is. 2 times of tan x as it is. Multiplying here. 1 minus tan square x with tan x, it becomes, see the students here, plus tan x minus tan cube of x minus tan cube of x. This quantity, so this is multiplying here. 1 minus tan square x multiplying here, tan x and minus of tan cube x. Similarly, shall I take LCM in the denominator also, the students here? Here I am taking LCM in the denominator also. 1 minus tan square of x. 1 minus of tan square x. Here multiplying here. Here taken LCM. So 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus of tan square x. This is minus 2 tan x into tan x. 2 tan square x minus 2 tan square of x. Minus of 2 tan square of x. This simplification is, I think, clear, students, here. So once again I repeat here, 1 minus tan square x taken LCM here, 1 minus tan square x, 2 tan x as it is. So this 1 minus tan square x is multiplying with tan x, it becomes tan x minus of tan cube x. And the denominator also taking LCM here, 1 minus tan square x is LCM here. So multiplying with this 1 minus tan square x and this multiplied here, minus 2 tan x into tan x, 2 tan square of x. Is it get cancelled? 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, denominator get cancelled here. 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x get cancelled here. Tan 3x equal to, simplify here, 2 tan x plus tan x, 3 tan x minus of tan cube of x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus tan square x minus of 3 tan square x. So this is about the tan of 3x friends here. This is about the tan of 3x. What is tan of 3x? 3 tan x minus tan qx divided by 1 minus of 3 tan square x. So this is about the tan of 3x students here. So let us I recall what we have discussed in the today's class here. 2x of sin 2x we have discussed in the previous class. Today's cos 2x we have discussed, tan 2x we have discussed, sin 3x we have discussed, cos 3x and tan of 3x. So these are the formulas here we have discussed in the today's class students here. So with this I conclude the today's class students here. Once again I recall in the next class all the formulas, and I will continue in the next class here. Thank you students. Thank you.